New York, Wall Street indexes rose on Friday, December 15, with gains in consumer stocks such as Costco wholesale helping a broad recovery. Costco rose 4% after the retailer reported upbeat results and pushed up the S&P Consumer Staples Index by 0.9%. The index was the biggest gainer among the 11 major S&P sectors. The S&P 500 fell the most in a month on Thursday after Republican Senators Marco Rubio and Mike Lee declined to back the bill without changes to child tax credits. What Rubio was looking for is more help for the lower-income people, child tax credits. That's something that can easily be adjusted, so the bill will move forward, said Andre Bakos, managing director at Janlin Capital. Things are looking like this, tax bill, will get through. But the market is going to be sensitive to any inkling that it's going to be a problem. Stocks have rallied this year, partly on hopes of corporate tax cuts that U.S. President Donald Trump promised during his election campaign last year. The bill, in its current form, proposes a corporate tax cut to 21% from 35%. The stock markets are expected to see a rise in trading volume as the session progresses, with traders likely to close hedging positions of futures, options, and stocks or roll them over at the last minute. At 9:33 MET, 14:33 GMT, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 129.05 points, or 0.53%, at 24,637.71, and the S&P 500 was up 13.49 points, or 0.51%, at 2,665.5. The Nasdaq Composite was up 24.34 points, or 0.35%, at 6,880.87. The S&P 500 and the Dow were on track to record 4 weeks of gains in a row, while the Nasdaq was set to post its first rise in 3 weeks. Shares of consumer staple companies such as Walgreens Boots, Kraft Heinz, Mondelez, Procter & Gamble, Walmart rose between 0.37% and 1.25%. Oracle's shares slipped 5.6% after the company's forecast for the current quarter cloud revenue growth missed estimates and the second quarter sales in the business disappointed. CSX Corp fell about 8% after the number 3 U.S. railroad said its chief executive Hunter Harrison was taking medical leave, a decision that comes in the middle of a controversial turnaround plan. Advancing issues outnumbered decliners on the NYSE by 1,885 to 572. On the Nasdaq, 1,428 issues rose and 852 fell.